A Shiba-Inu's favorite day of the year is when they feast. That's why I make these bento boxes on holidays, including their birthdays. I'll share a recipe that is guaranteed to get your dogs to eat their vegetables and eventually love it too. Filled with their favorite proteins, beef, salmon, fruits, and vegetables. This bento box is human consumption grade, so if it looks good to you, don't be afraid to share it with your companions. Source your proteins from stores that sell grass-fed or pasture-raised beef. For salmon or any other type of fish, they should be sustainably caught. The vegetables included in this dish is grown from my garden: broccoli, carrots, and string beans. Carrots hold many benefits for your companions. Onions, on the other hand, is very toxic. Seeds from all vegetables are collected at the end of each season to replant. Their favorite fruits, such as Fuji apples and Kodama watermelons, are also grown. I'll share a sorbet recipe your pups will love, while keeping them healthy and satisfied. It's great to be able to share meals with your companions and stay healthy together. Your pets will love watermelons, especially when served cold during summer. Just remember to remove the seeds. This apple and watermelon sorbet is a natural source of healthy nutrients, also keeping your pets cool during hot days. I serve this in sorbet form and sometimes cubes, if you'd like them to slow down on consumption. I'll share this recipe in a future video. Start by acquiring fresh beef and salmon. Debone the salmon fillet to remove any bones that can cause choking hazards. Cut the salmon fillet to portion and separate the belly. If you cook them together, they'll fall apart. Check for bones or any foreign objects that can cause choking hazards. I prefer cutting the salmon fillet according to quality and serving it separately. Let the salmon air dry or hand dry with a towel. This will create a crispy crust. Continue the same process with the ribeye, starting with the cap and towards the heart. Decide how your pets will enjoy this ribeye and cut it to the desired portion. I cut the ribeye by quality, starting with the cap, followed by the heart, and then the remaining lean pieces. I cut them in these long shapes, making it easier to portion for my Shibas. It will also render the fat more evenly. Leave the meats aside and let them air dry for a few minutes. This will help create that perfect sear. Peel and core the apple. Seeds are not safe, but the rest of the apple is healthy for them. Other apple choices include Gala, Golden Delicious, Honeycrisp, and Sugar Bee. Avoid tart apples. The acidity level is too intense and unsafe for your pet's stomach. Save all fruit and vegetable scraps and place them in your worm bin. Protein such as beef and fish is unsafe for worm bins. The peas can be cut to your desired size. I prefer cutting them into this manner to simplify the pulverizing process. Cut string beans into chewable sizes. Place in a mortar to pulverize. This will create a high quality product compared to a blender or food processor. By utilizing a pestle, you can control the consistency and the texture of your results. Refrain from using the blender or food processor as it will oxidize the product. The output of a mortar and pestle is more flavorful and vibrant. Slice and cut the apples to size, making it easier to pulverize with the blueberries for compote. Place in a mortar and crush the blueberries and pulverize the contents. This releases the delicious essence of blueberries. Filled with natural juices, the compote is ready at this stage. Avoid using a blender, it will create a foamy mixture instead of this dense and rich concoction. Peel the carrot skin if desired, slice and cut it to preferred size to accommodate your dogs. Set it aside and we'll revisit it later. Add additional colors to add contrast and variety. Prepare an iron pan and place your meat to sear the sides and seal in the juices. Repeat the process 2 to 3 times until desired crust is achieved. Cook the meat thoroughly to prevent foodborne pathogens. Add the pea puree and allow it to soak up the beef tallow. Gently stir as it slowly absorbs the rich tallow. Remove after juices have been absorbed and slightly brown. Collect it and place on the side for plating later. Repeat the searing process for the salmon belly. Place skin side down. Do not use any seasoning as this is unsafe for dogs. The natural omega fat will provide all the flavors and nutrition they crave. Shift the fillet in different locations to prevent it from sticking to the pan. Repeat this process for the remaining pieces. With the remaining oils, add the chopped carrots and slowly stir it as it absorbs the omega-3 contents. Use a plate with compartments to separate the portions. This will help your pets to eat slower. Let the proteins rest for a few minutes before cutting. This helps the juices redistribute itself and crisp up the exterior. Beef tallow puree is rich in nutrients and minerals to help strengthen bones. Apple and blueberry compote provides antioxidants and vitamins you do not find in store-bought pet food. The omega-3 will provide a healthy and shiny coat for your pets. Cut portions according to the size of your pets. Smaller is better. Larger pieces will cause chewing discomfort. As a rule, I cook all beef medium well to prevent any health concerns. Top with salmon skin for a dedicated crunchy snack. Separate the beef cuts to let your pet enjoy each quality of meat. Center the carrots. This provides a path your pets will cross and they'll eventually notice it. Top salmon with compote to provide a sweet and savory bite. Slice string beans to resemble onions, which are unsafe for dogs. This method sneaks in a small amount of vegetables in their diet. Top the beef with pea puree, which they end up eating before they get to the prime beef. Garnish the best cuts of beef tendon with broccoli buds for added nutrition. I've discovered these approaches to get my Shibas to eat their vegetables. Eventually, they'll enjoy it without the added flavoring. Kiku? Yusu. Unveil their bento box in their happy space and allow them to enjoy their meal. Give your companions the healthiest options. In return, they'll provide you with all the affection in the world and be by your side for many years.